Hello, engineers. How are you? I'm all fine. So, if you are facing issue, let's suppose if you are going to commit in your IntelliJ, but you are facing, let's suppose I'm changing something in the framework. Mm, Okay, then I save it. And what we are looking, let's suppose if you are facing issue to commit this from the IntelliJ, there is the two way. One way is you can commit from the command like git add. First file will be add, git commit, file will be commit, and then git push. Okay, post will be the code will be go to in your branch. But if you want to, you don't want to run this command, you want to directly, but you are facing some issue, kind of the not connected with the repo, no sorry, not connected with the remote, kind of this error. This error is not visible right now from my IntelliJ, but I want to show how you can resolve. Go to the setting, project structure. There is the one option project. No, cancel it. Then settings. Come here in the version control. Inside the version control, we have need to come in the Git. And inside C, there is the one option. This is the credential helper. If you check, this is the credential helper. Once you apply and OK, then apply and OK, then you click on the commit and post. It will be commit. First, we have need to check the file, then commit and post. Then there is the option will be here, and you will see the code will be commit. The wizard will be open pop up to push the code. Then you will see this is the option is coming. So if you are facing issue while using this thing from your IntelliJ, then it will resolve if you are clicking the helper credential checkbox. Thank you.